So one of the things I really like about the ENJO tools is not only do you get the right tool to get into all those little spaces that are difficult to get into and the right tool for the job, but all of the hardware is interchangeable. So you can take the Flexi, make it longer. You can take the window combi or the multi-tool, same base, make it longer as well. So I want to show you how to do that. So this part on the end of the Flexi is called the power grip. So to get that off, you just push this down and then your handle just turns out. And if you look at this, you'll see it's got the holes in it that line up with the holes on other products. So to make your Flexi longer, you take your pole for the floor system, just pop it on there. You don't have to worry about lining things up. Pop that yellow collar up and it locks. It locks it, if you turn it, locks it in place, okay? So that gives you the full 6 feet of the pole with your Flexi to get into those hard to reach spots or those really high spots. So again, put your pole on, turn it, it'll click. You'll feel it click and then pop the collar up to lock it in place. Okay, to get it off, collar down, just twist to take it off. So the pole will go onto your Flexi and it'll get into those really high spots. So I use it in my stairs to get right to the top of that stairwell. Okay, window combi or the multi-tool, same idea. You can add the pole to it. So this little C ring here, just put your thumbs on the other side of it, like this, pop it off, hang on to it because you're going to need it, pop off this little piece, and then put your floor pole on. Now here you need to line the holes up. You need to align these. So if you look at the holes on your window combi and the holes on your pole, just line those holes up and then pop this little C-clamp back into that. And they have to be perfectly aligned or this won't go in. So pop the C-clamp back in and then you've got, again, that whole length of your pole system to get to those hard to reach windows, those up high windows. And then same thing to take it off, pop the C-clamp out and just pull it back out. Now the other thing that I really like is that the handle from the Flexi that we took off earlier, it can actually be added to your window combi or your multi-tool. Same thing, line up the holes. Oops, I got it on backwards. Line up the holes, pop the C-clamp back into it. And then you've got an additional about 4 or 5 inches. So if you're working with your window combi and you're really stretching to get up to those windows, but the pole is actually too long and too awkward to maneuver, this gives you just that little extra part of it. So all of the pieces are interchangeable, okay? Hope that helps.